Hatid sa inyo, ito ang balita. Balitang pangunahing balita. Unang balita sa November 13, 2022 para kay Christian Yapon. Mula sa KBF Balita Report News.
Sila Chair Paranton, sila lahat. So, we will move for the increase of the soldiers' daily subsistence allowance from 150 pesos. We take for President that the troops that you come to see us here, but we want to vote. That's why I'm very grateful.
Okay.
Oh, we'll invite also the host to so please assure the troops that when we announce something, as we're always ready to listen, and we're ready to adapt to the exigencies that faces all of you. This is in line with the President's policy. Optimum levels, you will be inspired and you will be supported. And an announcement that we will move for the increase of the soldiers' daily subsistence allowance from 150 pesos to 350.
Yes, we are very happy na binigyan po kami ng time ng ating mga honorable congressmen led by the Speaker of the House, Congressman Romualdez. We are so very happy that they spared the very valuable time for us to meet the newly promoted generals and flag ranks of the forces of the Philippines. Yes, the Speaker of the House reiterated their commitment, and on behalf of our Chief of Staff, General Romeo S. Browner Jr., and the entire the grateful members of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, we are so very, very thankful sa confirmation na binigay po sa atin ng Speaker of the House that they will provide the promised increase in our subsistence allowance.
Madam Speaker, we next recognize the guests of Speaker Ferdinand Martin Romualdez, Majority Floor Leader Manuel Jose Manix Dalipe, and Congressman Jordan Jesus Romualdo, namely Lieutenant General Jimmy Larida, Lieutenant General Agustin Malinit, Lieutenant General Ferdinand Barandon, Rear Admiral Jose M. Ambrosio Espeleta, Rear Admiral Alan Javier, Major General Adonis Oreo, Commodore Florante Gagua, Brigadier General Joseph Norwin Pasamonte, Commodore Juario Marayag, Brigadier General Bob Apostol, Brigadier General Huert Acierto, Brigadier General Rosendo Abad Jr., Brigadier General Michael Lohico, Brigadier General Jose Ambrosio Rustia, Brigadier General Joseph Arcog, Brigadier General Ronald Jess Alcudia, and Brigadier General Raul Tangco.
To the guests of Speaker Ferdinand Martin Romualdez, Majority Floor Leader Manuel Jose Dalipe, and Congressman Jordan Jesus Romualdo, welcome to the House of Representatives. Majority Leader.
Madam Speaker, we also move to recognize the guests of Representative Ron Pisalo, namely the officials from the Municipality of Binmalay, Pangasinan, Mr. Edgar Mamenta, Mr. Ricky Samson, Mr. Orlando Navarro, Mr. Luis Austria, and Mr. Romeo Maminta.
To the guests of the Honorable Ron P. Salo from the Kabayan Party List, the officials from the Municipality of Binmalay, Pangasinan, welcome to the House of Representatives. Majority Leader.
Madam Speaker, I move that we recognize the guests of the Honorable Jose Manuel Alba from the 1st District of Bukidnon, the Sangguniang Kabataan from the Municipality of Lebona, and they are as followed: John Fort Namok Agusan, J.R. Abat Ebueza, Jeffrey Arapan Rara, Princess Tayab Akaw, Jessie Pelotos, Sheila Benting, Nino Ibona, Erica Olango, Kate Gregory Edoria, Karil Zaira Sabanpan, J.V. Texon, Hyacinth Morales, J. Lord Francis Bacalan, Jomar Jaramillo. I so move, Madam Speaker.
To the guests of the Honorable Jose Manuel F. Alba from the 1st District of Bukidnon, the members of the Sangguniang Kabataan of the Municipality of Libona, 1st District of Bukidnon, welcome to the House of Representatives. Majority Leader.
Madam Speaker, I move that we recognize the guests of the Honorable Eric Goyap from the Lone District of Benguet, from the representatives of Women's Organization of the Municipality of Tuba, Benguet, Gloria Payad, Janice Bugnay, Fe Milo, Jen Kimbatoy, Tessie Dalasi, Flordeliza Tayab, May Bantiag, Jenny Samson, Flora Afuyog, Marites Halbengan, Marites Tagibos, Perla Bumanghat, Juliet Domingo, Rachel Chikay, Rowena Catalino, Naris Antonio, Jocelyn Paos. I so move, Madam Speaker.
To the guests of the Honorable Eric Goya from the Lone District of Benguet, the representatives of Women's Organization of the Municipality of Tuba, Benguet, welcome to the House of Representatives.
Madam Speaker, I'd like to acknowledge the guests of the Special Committee on Peace, Reconciliation, and Unity, namely Irish Ambassador to the Philippines, Her Excellency Emma Hickey, and Deputy Head of Mission Erica Duffy of the Irish Embassy. Also, Madam Speaker, may we recognize Mr. Mark Sherwin C. Bayanito, Mr. Sharon O'Toole, Attorney Salik Sharif, and Batangas Provincial Prosecutor Lourdes R. Zapanta.
To the guests of the Special Committee on Peace, Reconciliation, and Unity, the Irish Ambassador to the Philippines, Her Excellency Emma Hickey, welcome to the House of Representatives. Majority Leader.
Madam Speaker, may we also recognize the visitors of Honorable Attorney Jervil Jinky Beatrix R. Luistro. Her visitors are from the municipality of Bawan, Batangas, namely Joseph Medrano, Sandra Vergara, Jude Medrano, Jay Ilagan, Myla Magnaye, Lenet Abrea, Let De Torres, Danilo Toledo, Mario Marasigan, Mark Ilagan, Ivan Munlawin, Liven Joseph Marasigan, Matthew Magsombol, Chris Ama Hilera, John Mark Hernandez, Reynaldo Beltran, Ruel Paulino, Marilu Candava, Martin Baculi, Joseph Aparicio, Nino Roels Imbahan, Howell Talusan, Joseph Regalado, Elmer Baculi, Brenna Magpantay, Ryan Joseph Obel, Imelda Baculi, Felix Arenas, Ricky Asilo, Maribeth Clemente, Nelson Bigyan, Maria Corazon Razon, Maricel Plasabas, Yolando Panganiban, Arnel Bonifacio Razon, Romel Pabalate Medrano, Yolanda Espilita, Alan Mendoza, June Elmer Borja, Anthony Castor, and Arnel Cabral.
To the guests of the Honorable Attorney Jervil Jinky Beatrix R. Luistro from the 2nd District of Batangas, her visitors from the municipality of Bawan, Batangas,
For the calendar
welcome
of
to the
unfinished business, we move to resume consideration of House Bill number 11072 under Committee Report number 1254, and may we ask the Secretary General to read the title of the measure.
The Secretary General is directed to read the title of the measure.